and Paul's excellent adventure, a 4-year voyage while living on a cruise ship.
Okay, Lynn, we are in Avalon.
Yes.
Catalina Island, Avalon, a place
right.
I've always wanted to go to and never have.
Yeah.
And we're riding with the Eddy brothers and cousins.
Eddy cousins.
So we are on some e-bikes, which is really pretty cool.
Yeah.
I'm amazed. I'm going to get
good
run over
journey.
by a golf cart, I think, here any moment.
Very beautiful island.
Yes, it really is.
It really started with the Wrigley family, had the vision for the island.
Is it?
The homes and building it up. Wrigley's gum.
Is it? It's the same
Yes.
Wrigley family.
Same Wrigley family as the
done.
gum. So,
I'm going to fall behind you for a moment
Yeah.
to let a golf cart
Yeah.
pass, okay? So I'll do that.
So there's a mansion here, the Wrigley Mansion, and then some other things he built, what's called the Catalina Casino. However, it's not a casino at all. It's a historic building. It's got a movie theater in it and some other things. So we'll go that direction and show you around.
So this is kind of a town square area here, I guess.
Right.
I would guess it is.
Where a lot of food and shops and walking around. So we got to stop.
Yep. Eddie is paying attention to street signs, which is good.
Beautiful little homes here.
Yeah, they really are.
This was really in its heyday.
It kind of
was
looks
really
like beach homes almost.
In its heyday, it was really for the movie stars. It was very glamorous.
Another place like that.
Because it's not that far from Los Angeles. It's a 3-hour ferry ride from Los Angeles to here.
And where we're traveling to is a building called the Casino, but it's not a casino, is that right?
No, there's no casino. There's no gambling in it. It's just that's what it's called. And you can see that a lot of people will use their golf carts around to get around the island, as well as walking.
So pretty here with the palm trees lining the street.
We may have to go back to the grocery store. It looked like a nice grocery store. I'd like to see it.
That's good. We always find grocery stores.
Look at this neat looking bus.
That's an old style bus.
Yeah.
Catalina Island Company is the name of the bus.
Here's a beautiful hotel.
Oh, our guides are leading us this direction. I think we're going the right way. We've got the two Eddies leading the way.
I decided to just feel it organically.
That's the best way.
Watch out.
Oh, careful.
Don't crash.
Yeah, we don't need any crashes.
We don't need any injuries on this trip.
Hello, how are you? Okay, we're back, Lynn.
All
We're
right,
almost
you're
to the
back.
casino.
I know.
We've got the two Eddies leading the way, and I think they've led us the right direction.
It's a beautiful harbor, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is. Now I have a little story about Catalina and Avalon in that I have a broadcast friend who is head of a broadcast group in the United States, and they own a radio station of all places on Avalon.
Oh.
And it's an AM station. I want to say it's a high power. I can't remember if it's 50,000 watts, but I know it was moved here years ago, I think from the Los Angeles area, as I recall. So he's always talked about coming to Avalon and Catalina Island, and I never really got a chance to. So it's kind of fun to be able to come out here and
that's great.
see the island.
This is a pretty fantastic little island. It must be really amazing to live here.
We made it! The eddies have led us the right direction.
All right, you guys, welcome.
Okay.
Thank you.
So again, enjoy the theater down below, our deco theater. Ladies room to the left, gentlemen to the right. When you're finished on this level, head up the ramp and you've got the mezzanine, exhibits and a short video.
Okay.
Then Grand Ballroom, spectacular views. And I see y'all have your socks. So skating would be a $10 add-on.
Isn't this amazing?
Yes, so look at all these murals. Here's the mermaid. See the seahorses, the fish, the gardens under the sea. That was the theme. Because as you saw when you did some video, you saw the gardens under the water.
Exactly. Around the casino here. And this artwork was done by the same guy that did the artwork for Grauman's Chinese Theater in Los Angeles. Beckman is his name, yes.
Isn't that cool? Oh, look at this, you guys.
Shh, movies. Yeah. So this is the boy, it's a big theater too, isn't it?
Oh my gosh. Isn't this amazing? So glamorous. Oh my gosh.
I'm like 12 years old. I'm on a family vacation up in Minnesota. And we go to the skating rink. And there's this girl that I have my eye on. And I didn't know how to say hello. I'm 12 years old. And so I did what all stupid little boys do. I ran over and knocked her over so that I could say hello to her. I ran right into her and knocked her on the ground. And then I acted like I fell down too.
Look at that.
I could see the big bands playing in here. Look at the stage set there. That's absolutely wonderful. So this is the Grand Ballroom. This is the top level, that dome part of the whole
I think I was
building.
born in the wrong era.
I know. Isn't this amazing?
Look at in the band, the big band that would be on the stage.
You can see the bandstand right there, and I can see the female singer coming out to sing with the band, and everybody dancing out here. It'd be amazing. But I mean, it really takes you back to a different era. Really,
It does. But
when you see this.
they've turned it into something more modern. You know, reusing the building.
But still keeping the aesthetic, though.
Yes, instead of tearing the dang thing down, they've kept it going, which is so incredible.
Yeah.
Oh yes. What are the poor people doing?
Wow.
There's the ship.
Oh, there's the ship. Yeah, that's amazing. So this is the balcony right off of the ball.
Makes such a good video if anyone wants to know, right? Okay, you can stop.
This is
Look
a really
at that.
cool building. These people are scuba diving?
Oh. Hey folks, we are at the Bluewater Catalina, right? The
Yeah.
Bluewater Grill. And we are with our friends Eddie and Eddie. They're cousins.
They look
You
alike.
met them on the bike ride, but we're going to have fun. We were told by numerous people that the Bluewater was the place to eat.
It's the place to eat.
So, and I was told that we should get a liter of buffalo milk.
What is that?
So buffalo milk is like a mudslide.
But it's
Similar to a
vodka.
mudslide, yeah, mudslide with banana.
Thank you.
Oh, I thought it'd come in a bigger glass.
I'll fill you guys up with that, okay? It gets tricky.
Come pie.
Cheers, 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 cheers. So we've decided what we want to order. We just want to share with you because it's a fabulous restaurant. We tend to like to show food from different regions. And Eddie here and I are going to split an order of crab cakes as an appetizer. You also ordered clam chowder.
You asked me a question while I have my mouth full.
I'd be a good waiter, wouldn't I? So you're having the clam chowder. And Lynn, we're going to split a order of swordfish, right? And she said it should be enough.
I love clam chowder.
I do too. Clam chowder is very good.
Do you want to hear a story about clam chowder?
I'd love to hear a story about clam chowder.
So, my daughter, when she was little, she refused to eat seafood. And I love seafood. And I would try and talk her into shrimp or crab legs or anything, fish. And the girl would not eat anything seafood. And so we were in San Diego on a vacation, and we go to a restaurant, and it took me forever to find a seafood restaurant that the rest of us wanted that had chicken or something non-seafood for my daughter. She was probably like 10 years old at the time. And so then what she orders off the menu is clam chowder. Oh, and I didn't say anything. And she's just eating it, and I'm like, how's that clam chowder? And she says, oh, it's good. I love it. I've had this many times. I'm like, well, what is in that? That's seafood. She goes, there's no seafood. I said, what do you think clams are? And she goes, clam chowder is not seafood. And then her face went,
We'll finish our meal.